In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix errors on your Mozzartbet. So if you've been facing a lot of problems or challenges on your Mozzartbet app, maybe the app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can troubleshoot any problem on this app and then get it up and running. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to troubleshoot your app and then fix any issues. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app information page. To do this, go ahead and look for settings. And from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. So go ahead and click on it. And you'll see this option called apps. Under apps, you have a lot of options and we are looking for this option called manage apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So instead of manage apps on your phone, it might be written all apps or more apps. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now here you'll see a list of all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your Mozzartbet app, and mine is here. If you can't find it on the list, you can just as well go ahead and search it on top here using this search function. So if I tap on Mozzartbet, you can see we are on the app information page, and this is where we shall do our first troubleshooting. However, if getting to this page is quite tedious for you, then let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get here. For that, just go back and then go ahead and look for your app. And here's my app. Now from here, go ahead and long press on it and you'll see app info page is available here. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page. From here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data and more especially the cache data. So if I come under storage here, you can see we have a lot of app data, and if you look at cache data, it is quite a lot. Now, one of the major reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because the app has accumulated cache data. Now, when you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores whenever you use it to enhance user experience. However, the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this, go ahead and clear cache files. And to clear cache files, all you need to do is to come down here and you'll see clear data. And then we have two options to clear all data or clear cache. Choose the second option, which is clear cache, and then okay. Now you can see all the cache data has been cleared. From here, just switch off or reset your smartphone and then go ahead and open your Mozzart app and it should now be working fine. However, if that didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and again come to this page and clear now all data by clicking on OK here, and all your data will be cleared. However, if this second method didn't solve your problem, you will now need to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android and App Store if you are on iPhone, and then tap on it. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll search my app through Google Play Store, and here is my app. From here, look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of Mozzartbet. So if you go ahead and update it, if you see any option called here update, go ahead and tap on it, and then this will update your app to the latest version, and this will fix bugs or any security issues related to your app, and you'll also be able to get the latest features that come with this app. Now, once this has been done, you will now see this option called open, proceed, and tap on it to start using your app. And at this point, everything now should be okay with your Mozzartbet app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.